How's it going, everybody? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In today's video, we're going to be explaining the installation steps for our SVE Cobra style anti-moan braces. Before we get rolling with the installation, if you would like to know more details about our SVE anti-moan braces, please check out the review video in the description. In that video, I talk about the anti-moan braces in more detail and cover important product information. Today we're going to be installing a set of these anti-moan braces onto our 1993 silver hatchback that does feature our SVE 5-lug Cobra style brake conversion. To get started, safely support the vehicle via a lift or jack stands. Remove both rear wheels from the vehicle. Remove the parking brake cable E-clip. Remove the cable eyelet from the bracket on the caliper. Loosen and remove both of the caliper retaining bolts. Carefully position the caliper out of the way. Go ahead and remove the rotor from the car for additional working room. Slide the U-bolt over the axle tube from the bottom side and verify the threaded ends are facing towards the rear of the car. Verify that you have the correct anti-moan brace. This is done by locating the notch on each brace. This notch will face down. Slide the brace over the U-bolt and loosely tighten each of the retaining nuts. Align each of the holes on the brace with the caliper bracket. Reinstall the rotor. Reinstall the caliper and install both of the retaining bolts. Snug these down, but do not fully tighten them just yet. Next, snug down the nuts on the U-bolts evenly. Torque the nuts on the U-bolts to 25 pound-feet. Torque the caliper mounting bolts to 70 pound-feet. Reinstall your parking brake cables and reposition the eyelet into the bracket. Reinstall the E-clip and then repeat these steps for the other side. Reinstall both rear wheels and torque them to the factory recommended torque specs. Go ahead and look over your work, and then you're all finished. As always, for the most up-to-date product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference LMR.com. If you like this video or it helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content, and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, for all things 1979 to present Mustang, keep it right here at The Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.